Listen to the silence of the graves. Congo cries and the world looks away. In the heart of Africa the rivers run red. Children hiding bullets flying, so many dead. The minds shine bright but the souls are dark. While the West profits, we bear the mark. Mothers scream, babies gone, villages erased. But no news flash, just headlines replaced. All eyes on the riches, no eyes on the pain. We bleed in silence again and again. Rwanda is killing and Kagame is Hitler. Blood on his hands, he a shadowy killer. Suits in Geneva but the truth's in the jungle. We cry for peace but they profit from the struggle. Rwanda is killing and Kagame is Hitler. Preaching unity while he's pulling the trigger. Ghosts in the east, they scream in the dark. Congo's on fire and he's lighting the spark. Talk about progress, talk about peace, while the bodies in Ituri still don't rest in peace. Militias armed, who gave the guns? It's not just one man, it's a global con. You ain't watching, still hands tied. They call it tribal, we call it genocide. And Kagame smiles in a suit and tie, while thousands of mothers still ask why. Where's the justice? Where's the court? Where's the voice that can't be bought? This ain't no war, this is a slaughter. And silence is just stating the author. Rwanda is killing and Kagame is Hitler. Blood on his hands, he a shadowy killer. Suits in Geneva but the truth's in the jungle. We cry for peace but they profit from the struggle. Rwanda is killing and Kagame is Hitler. Preaching unity while he's pulling the trigger. Ghosts in the east, they scream in the dark. Congo's on fire and he's lighting the spark.